peixinhos brilhantes e voavam alegres vagalumes.
The same without saying.